The farmhouse welcome out front can't help but lure customers inside.
That's what I like about this is I want people to feel like they're coming to Grandma's house. So, to be comfortable.
You might catch Jim watering the garden outside while his wife Deanne takes care of the kitchen and staff.
We get visitors from everywhere. We are basically a destination restaurant.
The Smiths bought the restaurant in 2019 after the former owner retired.
I still have the menu exactly like it was in the beginning, same prices.
But she's extended the menu to include more barbecue, like the loaded pig, a pulled pork sandwich with hot links on top, smothered in white queso.
Oh, I love it. It's amazing. It's so good. We come here a lot. It's a staple.
If you like the look of the loaded pig, check out these ribs. Deanne smokes them daily along with brisket and turkey in her smoker in the back.
It's supposed to hold 900 pounds of meat, so I don't know that we've ever put that much in it, but we do smoke a lot of meat and we keep it going pretty regular.
The extensive menu also offers customer favorites, from sandwiches and a variety of salads to home-cooked meals like the chicken and dumplings with cornbread or beans and brisket topped with onions and jalapenos. And then on Friday nights, the special is prime rib with a salad and baked potato.
The food is so great. My husband would drive 2 hours to come and eat their barbecue, and their tomato pie is amazing.
And the locals, we're getting people that come in every day and eat. Some come in every day, twice a day.
Like Morris Thompson.
Like I say, eat breakfast here and there, and then most of the time I'll come back and eat supper here, and because I don't do much cooking.
Morris comes to eat, but stays for the company.
They're just like family, and we just love them, and just good people.
When you're finished with your meal, don't forget dessert. I promise you, even if you're full, you need to stop into the bakery and grab something to go. Thanks.
It's a big draw. I mean, a lot of people come in here sometimes just for the dessert and a cup of coffee. Or they'll come in and they'll eat and they'll take dessert with them, or they'll have the whole shebang.
There are plenty of sweets to choose from, like the cookies baked fresh daily, or a slice of homemade cake or pie. And then there's the fresh fudge, prepared in-house and wrapped individually.
We have a pecan farm, and I have lots of pecans, and so I can add pecans into the fudge.
This right here is probably the best I've tasted, but they're all good. Their cookies are really good. And I'm going to find out what the cinnamon rolls are like because my daughter bought some of those, so we're going to take those home.
On the way out, you can support another local business, the Homestead, with these home decor items and antiques for sale. There's also a takery, where Deanne has prepared meals you can buy and cook at home.
People will come here from as far as the four corners of Oklahoma. It's been really good for the Tecumseh community. It keeps it thriving.
Discovering Oklahoma and Tecumseh, I'm Deanne Stein.